Welcome to the workshop. As you can see, it's still in progress. Haven't managed to do any other videos for it. We're going to go inside, have a look. So today I'm going to be blocking up that, putting the plastic up and the cladding. There's some cladding to do on the sides as well, on both sides there and there. We've got these that are the noggins for plasterboard to go on. I've got to finish those off. Got the old man coming to help me, and we've had strong winds, which is going to be a bit of a problem. It's managed to tear the felt on one side of the roof, so we're going to have to repair that. So that's what's happening today. Okay, so we've got the all the sides patched up. I've got that back panel all the way cladded up around the back. What I've got to do now, I have my old man helping me, so I've got to tidy up all of this mess, and then I'm on to the noggins up there, basically. So let's have a quick look around the workspace. It's obviously not too bad at the moment. It's my Alexa going off. What I'll do is I'll take the camera around the side, and we can have a view around the outside of the building. So obviously still in need of some tidying up around the back and around the sides. Bits of wood everywhere. I've also got all of this to clear up as well behind me, and all of the tools and everything that are down there. So once all that's all tidied up, I can then start on the noggins. Right, so that's all the tidying done. It's actually the next day. I didn't get to finish off yesterday, basically because of things going on in the house, and basically I ended up with a bit of back pain. I had pulled a muscle in my back, or it was tense or something, so I just didn't feel like doing it. So I thought I'd carry on today. So I will be doing, there's a bug on the camera. I will be doing the noggins next. Okay, so that's all of the noggins done on both sides. So we've got all 3 rows done all the way along. So that's ready for the ceiling. They are 600mm centres, so that's for the drywall to fit to. Sheets of drywall in the UK generally come 1200mm by to 400mm. So I've got these additional noggins in between the main beams. Yeah, we're basically ready to receive the plasterboard. Now I was going to repair the roof, but I've just had a look at the weather forecast, and it does look like I'm going to get away with not doing it until next weekend. So I'm going to chance it, leave it, do it next weekend, as I'm quite tired. So thank you for watching the video. subscribe to the YouTube channel. That would help me very much. Support the channel so I can keep producing these videos, and I'll catch you on the next episode.